Hi everyone, today I'm going to review this Useluck 22-piece ceramic cookware set, and they have sent me this product, so let's open and see what's all there. And I'm going to cook something here really yummy. Okay, so cover, manual, okay, so 3 covers. Wow, this no Teflon coating, pure ceramic, very good for health. Can make soup in this, bang soy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god, that's a lot. Got another. Wow, one more. Wow, I think I don't have to buy utensils for a long time. Cooking is a lot. Wow. Oh, it's cute for omelette. Okay, so here is all the handles. Okay, so now I'm gonna fix all of this and then show you the final product. This is the final product after I have fixed the handles and leads and everything. And the best part was that they come with a screwdriver in the box, so that's easy for me to fix everything. And you just need a screwdriver to fix it up. It's non-toxic, thick and stable structure, non-stick, durable, surface cook, flip and clean with ease. Excellent heat conductivity, whether it's on gas, on electric, glass, ceramic or induction. Now I'm gonna use some of the pots and pans to make some food. So first I'm gonna boil some vegetable, and then I'll make a spaghetti with meatball for the kids. For us, it's gonna be fish curry with boiled veggies and some lentils. I would like to recommend to everyone to try this product, and please throw away all your scratch and all Teflon coating utensils, cooking sets, and buy this one. You will not regret it. Effortless cleaning, just wipe it, rinse it, and you're done. You don't have to use a harsh chemical of detergent just for cooking. You can just wipe it off like I just show you here. I'm seriously in love with this product. This product is free from harmful chemicals. It's 100% non-stick and easy to clean. Look at the food, it don't get stuck or it don't get burned. Energy efficient, quick heat distribution helps save both time and energy while cooking. With 3-layer base structure, the cookware heats evenly and quickly, giving you the perfect cooking experience every time. Garnish coriander, cilantro or coriander.